Hi everyone and welcome in this video. Today we are going to create this very simple client logo section by using Bricks Builder and AutomaticCSS. Get to the description of this video to check more information about my setting. So click here on the plus button and then on the container, get on the plus again here on the top and then get on heading and rich text. So now select the main section, click on the plus button here and then click on container again, and here select this container this time, and on display click on grid. Right click here and just choose the grid, like 6 in this case. And then I can also go on the container, make sure here is selected, plus button and div. Okay, now open here and you will find a div inside of it. So with the div selected, plus button, and then go on image. So now we have an image, right? And this will be the logo. So select your logo by clicking here and inserting it, as you can see. Then let's go and select again the logo, make sure it's selected, right? So we are going to basically set up some styling. So let's go on the stretch. Okay, let's stretch it so that it takes all the space. Close the div here and just duplicate by using this little icon. So we duplicate it 6 times. Now with the container selected, I'm going to right click here and add a gap. Like XL would be fine. Okay, I don't really like XL. I will try with L. The spacing is a little bit better, or M. Let's say M. Okay, the spacing is a little bit better. I like it more. Click here on the container. I'm sorry, on the section here on the top, and then row gap. Right click, and here we're going to add. Let's say, let me check L. Okay, looks good. Great. So now let's start with the heading here, right? So let's try to add some text. I'm using this little extension for some dummy text. You can just add whatever you want. And click here, paste it here, and as you can see, we have the title. And for the description, I'm going to choose a paragraph like this. Okay, and here, select the text, of course, and just paste it in. Perfect. Now click on the title here again. Go on Style, Typography, and right-click on Font Size and just choose a font size. I will go with XL. Then center it here. Click the text here, and again, change the color first. So I'm going to make a gray, right-click, and you choose your color. And then font size, right-click, and I'm going to choose like M. Okay, center it. Perfect. Now let's select the container here and then look for the align axis that is in the content tab here, and here is it, align cross axis, center it, and now everything is centered. Now I would like to reduce the width of this text, so go on Style, Width, and just choose the width you want, like let's say M, and with M selected, now the text goes on 2 lines. Select the container here on the right, okay, and then we need to go on Content and Row Gap. Right click, and now you can choose your preferred, spacing. I will go with XS. Great. Now everything is actually done. We can check the responsive version now. So on tablet it's like that. Then mobile. Okay, so there is a problem here. We need to adapt stuff to the, to the smaller screen. So let's go on the right now, container, and right click here on the grid template and just choose tree. So now with tree here, we can go and check the mobile, and maybe here instead of 3 we are going to use 2, so that we have 2 on this resolution, 3 in this one, and this one you can keep it like this or change it as you wish. So we are done with the video. So if this video was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem, just comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much and have a nice day.